So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare to forward any locally running server onto the internet. This is also called as port forwarding or tunneling service from Cloudflare. Now we'll be using Cloudflare. There are other alternatives such as Ngrok and other service providers, but Cloudflare is the one I found very easy and it is super easy to install. So to install, let's just first search Cloudflare download. You will see this downloads Cloudflare TrustDoc. Simply click on that. Now once you come here, if you are running on Linux, you guys can follow these. You have a binary, .app and rpm. For macOS, you have a single command. Same as for Windows, you have this command. So since I am on Windows, however, in Windows, even if you guys prefer downloading exe separately, you guys can do that as well. I'll just copy this command here for Windows. Right click on the start menu and open a terminal. Some of you might not see this, some of you will have PowerShell over here. So simply click on that. Once you are here, simply right click. It will paste whatever you have on clipboard and press enter. Now wait for this installation process to complete. Press Y. Now it is downloading the latest version of Cloudflare from GitHub releases for us. In the meantime, I'll show you this can work on any server you want, but for this purposes, I'll be using this local server called GeoTV Go, which allows you to run GeoTV apps on your PC. Here it's asking me administrative access, so simply I'll just do please. Yeah. So you will simply receive a pop-up with administrative privileges. Simply press yes, you won't see all this. And once it is installed, let's check by running Cloudflare help. So we get Cloudflare is not there, so let's just open a new terminal and close the older one. Now let's type it again. Now you see, okay, that means Cloudflare is installed. You can see Cloudflare help and you will see all the addresses. So make sure you restart your terminal once you have installed Cloudflare on all of your OSs. And if you want to install on terminal Termux on Android, you guys can use a simple command called pkg install Cloudflare. This will install Cloudflare for you automatically. Now we have installed Cloudflare. We want the server to run, so I'm gonna quickly install this server. This will work on any server, but here I'm demonstrating with this. Just quickly install this. I have GeoTV Go installed. Now let me run the server. Now I'll try to run this on a specific port called 8002 so that I will know what port do I want to expose to the internet through Cloudflare services. So here I'm saying I'm going to run in a port called 8002. I press enter. The server has been started. So we know the server is only on localhost, as you can see here. If you click on that, the server will be running locally, but if you see the address, it is local, right? So now we'll try to forward this port to the internet. So to do that, simply open a new terminal, type Cloudflare space tunnel space -- URL, and here whatever URL you saw in the browser right now, it was 127.0.0.1. The port I chose was 8002 and simply press enter. Now the Cloudflare will start to communicate with this API and give you a URL here. Now it says your quick timer has been created. Now if I visit this URL, I'll simply press Ctrl and click. As you can see, I have running this GeoTV Go on the internet, and this URL can be accessed from anywhere. So Be careful what you do with it. This might expose some of your credentials on the internet as well, so make sure you know what you're doing. So right now I can access this GeoTigo from anywhere that is running on my Windows machine over here. So that is a very simple way how you can use Cloudflare to expose any of your local servers to the internet. That's it. Thanks for watching.